Hello, my name is Mohammad Asif. I'm CEO and founder of JAZAA Business Services. We are Dubai and India-based startup consulting company. It's an interesting story. We started in 2010. We were three co-founders of the company. We started right away from the college. And our first office was also in our MBA college. That's how we started. We started as an ethical finance company, and slowly we shifted to full consulting company, mainly targeting startup segment. Well, even our tagline says ethics, principles, and social responsibility. These are the three values which are very, very important for us. Ethics is at the core of all our services. We focused on many fintech clients where compliance and ethics are the core values which determines how the businesses are growing. It's very important for the startup segments, very important for the founders of the startups to be in line with the ethics, social responsibility in everything which they are doing. JAZAA Business Services is an international company. Our offices are based in Delhi, Dubai. We serve GCC clients, we serve US clients, we serve European clients. So it's very important for us to remain competitive. Now, how do we remain competitive? We remain competitive by providing a key service which I believe very, very few companies are providing. We call our service outsourced CFO service, which is a combination of strategic finance plus accounting plus bookkeeping. We handle the entire length and breadth of the startup's financial management from day one when they are trying to convert their idea into an execution plan to, let's say, a unicorn which is already in a very high growth stage. We can serve length and breadth of those client segments. We have three departments. We have a full finance department which provides activities, let's say merger and acquisition, fundraising support, financial forecasting, investor presentations. Then we have an accounting and bookkeeping department which can help support a startup in the entire length and breadth of their accounting needs. We also have an in-house design department which serves the document design needs, let's say investor presentation, business plan designing, and in case any other requirement comes up for a startup, let's say web designing or some other help that they need. We also have multiple partners which we work with. So if a startup needs any other support, let's say an IT support, we do have partners who we can connect the startup with so that we become a one-stop solution for the startup's entire needs from their day zero when they are just trying to convert their idea to, let's say, when they are in a unicorn stage. The startup founders are so much focused on the product that they forgot about the finance. Business is about making money. So finance is of utmost importance for the business. When the startup founders are preparing for the business idea to pitch to the investors, they need the support of a CFO or a financial advisor or a financial consultant. Now, this is where JAZAA Business comes in handy. We can support the startup founders from day one, whether when they are pitching to the investors, when they are working on their accounting processes, when they are preparing the financial forecast, when they are working on the business idea, when they want to understand what should be the pricing, what should be the gross margin, what should be the net margin. An ideal CFO can support them in answering all these questions appropriately, which not only attracts the investors, but also helps them go through the path, go to scale easily and become a successful startup. On the other hand, when the founders are focused on the business, they forgot everything about compliance. Compliance means filing taxes on time. Compliance means if you are a regulated entity, that means fulfilling the regulatory authorities' compliance is providing data to them, meeting their requirements, meeting the license requirements. Many startups, and personally I have seen even in fintech startups which are heavily regulated, the founders are just not focused on the compliance, they are focused so much on the business. This is where it lags, and this leads to issues later on in the startup cycle when they have to grow and move fast and they see they are not ready to scale up faster because they are not meeting the compliance needs, they are not meeting the data needs. Accounting is that you have to be correct, and you have to be correct all the time. It's does not work in finance where you can be correct only just one time and you have some inaccuracies and all those things. To maintain quality in finance, it's very, very important. Numbers have to be accurate, and the numbers have to be accurate to a level where decisions can be made on those numbers. To maintain quality, it's very important for us. We try to automate all the processes that we have, and that's where tools like Wafeq come in handy. We use lots of internal tools as well. We have a business management tool where we track tasks, where we track clients. We have CRM, we have communication tools, and we work with our clients on whatever tools they are using. So for some clients, they communicate internally on Slack, and we are on Slack. Some clients use some other tools to track. Because we have the varied client base, some are startups who tend to use just simple Excel spreadsheets, while there are bigger clients who tend to use ERP systems. We can work with anything. Consistency and quality is very important, and we want clients to use as much automation as possible, including now the use of AI in all the tools to maintain consistent quality and fast delivery. Wafeq is an amazing platform. We partnered with Wafeq because it's a local company with local support. Working with Wafeq for, I believe, about 3 years now, and we started in the very early stage, and it has been an excellent journey with Wafeq so far. Whenever I need them, Wafeq team is always available for. Wafeq is an excellent tool. It works very well. Whatever they have created, it works amazingly well. Our team just loves Wafeq, and they love using it because it's so simple to use. It helps in reconciliation, it helps in VAT returns, it helps in banking transactions. Whatever tasks our accounting team needs to do, they can just do it in a click. It helps us so much. All our client reporting is on time thanks to Wafeq. I'll just share a short story and a very recent one on how we use Wafeq and how it supports us. We had a client looking for TRC. They were in a hurry because their business was being affected. We took Wafeq, we proposed to them, the client accepted, we went ahead, and within a day the client was live on Wafeq. Within a week our team was able to close all the books and submit the report for the audit, and then they went ahead with the TRC. Everything was done within 2 weeks. It was so simple and so easy for us. This is an age of AI. The technology is evolving so fast, we cannot just imagine, where we would be in 3 to 5 years. It has become extremely important for us to catch up with all the new technologies that are in there. Specifically speaking about bookkeeping, the AI can do so much more. The automation is changing the way the finance industry works. The data analysis is changing, the reporting is changing, the dashboarding is changing. Wherever you imagine, AI is everywhere, changing all the things that we are doing. It's making our job so much easier. This is where all the important tools like Wafeq come in handy. With the use of AI, the job for the client is so simple. The reporting is always on time. It's simple. The reconciliations are so simple to handle now. The AI matches everything for us. The VAT reportings are so simple. The final audit reports are so simple to handle. It's only growing as fast as we can imagine, and how we are working on this is we are training our team to use as much as possible the AI wherever they can use it. It's very important for us to keep learning about the new technologies, the new tools, wherever we can support the client in automation. We have to work with the client to catch up and be as smart as possible to fulfill all the requirements. Coming to compliance, everywhere the compliance is, the automation has become more and more important. The cybersecurity has become more and more important. We have to make sure that whatever we are doing is compliant with the data requirements in our region. So for us, we have to learn and catch up on all the technological needs of the sector. As a platinum partner of Wafeq, this partnership is more important every day for us. Lots of our clients prefer tools like Wafeq. They love Wafeq, and we want to continue to grow with Wafeq. Be it in Saudi Arabia, be it in UAE, the VAT reporting, with e-invoicing, with taxation, with audit support for everything. Wafeq supports us in every way possible, make our team's job so much easier to do every day. Our client loves it, we love it. We would like to continue to grow this partnership to an ever-increasing level, whatever is possible for us. If I have to describe our journey with Wafeq, I would describe it as collaboration all the way. Our team just loves collaborating with Wafeq. They have been supporting us with all the clients, whatever support that we required from Wafeq. It's like within hours. We send an email, we receive a reply. We want to do a data transition, next day it is done. We have a feedback, they revert back to us whenever, at what time or date can be implemented. Our clients love it. Our clients, in their journey, they are using Wafeq to deliver their services to their clients to get the data that they need from the Wafeq. It's so easily available. The reporting has been so easier. Bank reconciliations have been so easier. Startup founders, they want to use Wafeq. It's simple, it's fun, it's value for money for them.